Hello, and welcome to another paper art video. You know those cute and colorful houses, like the ones you find in Central or South America and all parts of the world? Well, I thought today I would make one using paper and gouache paint. Let's go! Okay, I have this 8x8 shadow frame, and I think I want to have the window be all cute and small right here in the middle, using like a nice pop of color for the background. So here's my rough sketch. I made it in Procreate and I just brought it into Photoshop so I can test out a few different background colors, but I'm really feeling this hot pink. So I have my little mock-up where the plants will go, etc. So I'm gonna go ahead and print out just an outline so I could use it to trace when I cut out on my paper. So let's do this. Cue the time lapse. Okay, here's my basic window frame. I made these 4 boxes using a template I made so that I can add depth to the window and to serve as a place where the plants will sit. Alright, now let's get started on those cute little plants. Okay, so for the most part, I have all my basic pieces cut out right now. So we're gonna move on to the next step, which is painting. Okay, so I thought I was just about done, but I thought this really cute last minute little addition would just be over the top. I love it. Stay tuned to find out. Thank you so much for making it this far. It's now time for the final reveal. I really love how this came out. Look at these cute little plants and this little tiny blanket. It's so cute. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed watching this process, and if you like paper art videos or other art videos, go ahead and check out my other videos here. Until next time.